Ayan na si Daddy. Daddy likes this color. See the camel, Georgie? Ayan.
How many, Georgie?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, let's go. It's Friday, grocery day for the family.
So well spotted, Daddy.
Good job, Daddy.
Daddy saw the camels.
Yeah, they are sleeping.
No, they're not sleeping, they're eating.
They're eating grass.
They're eating dried grass or dried bushes.
Right.
Yeah, because there's no grass. There's no grass over there. It's all
Dead
sand.
grass.
So all bushes. See, you can see the bushes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Good morning mga friendship. Andito na naman si Mami Jessie sa inyong harapan. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood ng aking premiere again and again and again. Oh, si ano lang tayo nito, si Zebby, si baby Zebby. So anyway, andito kami ulit sa Settlement Mall kasi papalitan namin ang aming napakalumang sofa. Almost 7 years na, Daddy, no?
Oo.
7 years. So, ayan, punta tayo dyan sa my home. May nakita kaming magandang sofa, tapos i-check naman yung color na gusto namin bilhin.
25% discount.
It's 25% discount. Mahal siya, guys, pag i-convert sa pesos, kaya hindi na tayo mag-convert sa pesos, guys, no? Kasi ano, sakit sa dibdib.
It's about 20,000.
It's not 20,000.
1,000, 3. Oh no, it's more.
It's more.
It's more.
Alright.
3,600.
So that's about 40,000 pesos. So,
40,000.
ito, andito, nag-convert na naman tayo. O sige, pasok na tayo sa loob kasi mainit. So guys, andito tayo sa home shop. Go, keep going. Do you want to know? So, ayan yung sofa. I think the sofa, don't touch anything, love, because don't touch anything. Did she send you the email? See? Okay. This one is leather, no? But they're very expensive, 7,000. Ang gaganda ng ano. Ito oh guys, 4,000. 4,000. 25% sila ngayon. That's about 6,000. Ang ganda niya, no? Ayan, no? Pag may malaki kang bahay, ayan, maganda ang mga furniture dito sa Dubai. Ayan na si Daddy. Daddy likes this color, right? Daddy likes this color. Ayan, no? Ang ganda. Ala, it says new arrival. I thought this one is on sale. Kuya, this one is not on sale na. Naka-sale pa rin. Pero ito yung regular price niya. Ah, okay. Oo nga eh, kasi I forgot my mask. Ayan, subukan. Uy, don't throw your bag. Subukan natin yung upuan, guys. Ay, mga friendship.
I just take my shoes off.
Oh.
Is
Is it comfy? And also, if you have argument, you can sleep here. Because it's comfy enough to sleep with you here.
Yeah, just
You
take
know?
the cushions off.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah, sit there. Sit that side and put your feet up that way.
Okay.
Are you one to?
Well, we don't know.
Uy, ang sarap.
This-
Parang ayoko nang kumilos. Dito na lang ako. Baka lalo akong walang magawa sa bahay.
But pick your colour. See, look.
Ha?
You can have any one of these fabric. Right, we don't want this type of fabric.
No.
Right, that's not nice. Right, see, look. Which colour you like, Georgie?
I want blue.
You want blue?
Oh no! Don't put it back.
Hold on, we've got to compare. See that?
Daddy, no.
No, I don't like that
That.
color. This is the closest one.
No, you don't have to have. You want a contrast. You want something that doesn't look out of place next to it. No, Mum.
Ayan si Georgie. Tapos ito yung ano guys, yung kama. Ang bed is 4,995 dirhams. It was 7,200. Tapos ito guys, oh, itong gusto ko guys, oh, kasi pwede siyang gawing coffee table. Lagyan lang na siya ng glass. Ayan. Kasi maliit lang yung bahay namin. Pero
유난히도 캄캄한다면 나 홀로 너를 생각하네 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어
kami ng ano, ng popcorn. Ayan, ayan oh, mga choices ng popcorn. Ayan oh, yes, si ate, kabayan. Ayan. Buy 3 get 1 ate, no? Buy 3 get 1?
Yung decor po yung frame.
Ano yung free?
Ito po.
Yung plain. Ah, so
Anong flavor po siya? Basta nandun dito sa ano side.
okay. So ano yung kinuha ni Mr.?
Creamy cheddar,
Okay.
veggies with peanut,
Okay.
caramel sisal,
Okay.
at saka ito yung frame.
Okay. So magkano lahat? The popcorn is 76 dirhams. Oo. Bagong umpisa lang ate. 76 dirhams, 1,000 pesos na yan oh.
Use your magic.
Ha?
Use your card and tap. Salamat po.
Ate tap na lang te, ate tap.
Popcorn.
Kabayan, kabayan.
Yummy, yummy. Popcorn for movies. You can watch movies at home with popcorn. Look, they got different
Tap lang,
colours,
tap.
Georgie.
Oh yes, salamat po.
So yummy.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
Say thank you, Ate. Thank you, Ate.
Thank you ate. Again. Thank you ate. Flying kiss ate.
Bye-bye.
Salamat po. Ayan, another custos. So hindi kami sure sa isang sofa na inano namin kasi yung gusto namin walang stock pati yung color. So punta kami ng ibang home appliances para
The sofa we wanted, they've sold out of, and we can't get a replacement, so we have to go somewhere else.
ayan.
Because we've already put our sofas up for sale.
Pinost na namin yung sofa namin, benta namin. Tapos kung walang bibili kasi ang daming nagbebenta dito gawa ng sa pandemic na wala ng trabaho. So binibenta nila tapos balik sila sa mga bansa nila. So sa Dubizel online siya kung saan pwede ka magbenta ng mga gamit mo. Ang daming naka-post. So ang gagawin namin either ibigay na lang namin sa mga kabayan dito sa Dubai na walang furniture. Georgie, come this way, love.
Okay.
Yeah?
One of these,
Yeah?
and two more of these here.
So that will end up like
So that's
2,000.
1,000, 2,000, 2,800, nearly
Yeah.
3,000. It's cheaper than that other one,
Okay. So tingnan mo design nila. Ganda oh.
but I think that might be too long that way.
Yeah. But the question is it comfy?
Well,
It's very,
it's low to get up and
yeah.
down. It tips you back.
And the seat is not wide enough for your bum.
You sit upright.
That helps you sit upright.
It's not bad. I quite like this colour as well, and I like the fabric.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, I like it's color, the color, I like it, the color. Tingnan mo si
You could also
Georgie.
get two of those.
We'll
You
see.
get two of those,
Yeah?
right? Put one at each side. Is it comfy?
I know. Daddy will get blue.
And you get yellow.
And Georgie got yellow.
I'm gonna get red.
Oh, that's
Right, come on,
cool.
let's have a look.
Georgie, look at this. You wanna sit down? So this one, Daddy, I'll try this one. Kung anong lasa niyan.
Yucky.
Tapos Daddy, natuwa siya kasi he got smash.
Instant mashed potato.
So, it's cuisines of the world. So that's Japan, Korea, China. Here is United Kingdom, USA, Mexico, Thailand. We'll see what's good in Thailand. Nothing special in Thailand. Peanut coconut. Sarap kaya yan? What's that? And this one, Mexico. Mexico, Philippines. Ang daming stuff ng Philippines. Oh. So I get this one, milk fish chunks. That one is UK. Spanish style. I like this one. Daddy, can you get this?
To share with you.
Yeah. You call Macdo. Si Macdo.
Hello, Macdo.
Can you give? Alright.
Oh, Mother, Daddy's hungry. Mom's hungry. Need food for Mommy and Daddy and Georgie.
Can I have what are you getting for Daddy?
I taking hamburger and French fries for you.
Hamburger and French fries, perfect.
Mommy, I like
You want
Chicken
hamburger?
nuggets.
chicken nuggets, yeah.
Chicken nuggets
And
for
hamburger.
Yes. You like French fries, Mommy?
Yes, please.
Chicken nuggets and French fries. What
And
about
French.
Georgie?
I like.
You need a
French
happy.
fries.
Don't tell me. Tell Macdo. Say I need a happy meal.
I need Happy
You
Meal.
tell him. Tell Macdo.
I need Happy Meal, Macdo. I'm so hungry too. I need Macdo and French fries.
And a toy.
Yes.
A toy.
Yes, and 2 rabbits.
2 rabbits. Oh, you only get 1 rabbit in a
Yes.
toy. That's 2
And
happy
2
meals.
grapes too.
2 grapes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the grapes came with the rabbit.
How about your drinks? What do you want drinks from Macdo?
Orange juice.
You tell Macdo.
To the music. Cha, cha,
Same
cha.
here.
Very good. Can you do a moonwalk?
Did you teach her?
No, she just made it up.
I feel tired because of the heat. You know?
How about many warriors over there? He was for my time, for my day. I'm for you to boy. Let's down the rain. Baba Bashi.
Fat people are
How many warriors are less happy before?
Georgie, who is that? So we finished eating our popcorn. Now we're wearing a hat.
You don't like it?
May nagustuhan kaming sofa. Different. Ayan, ayan. Perfect color sa ano,
I love it, man.
sa curtain. Kasi yung kahapon
And I
natin
can
yung
still sleep on it if you throw me out.
Daddy said if we're fighting, we're not totally fight naman. If we're arguing, he can
This
sleep
one's really
here.
nice. This is perfect because my glass doors are here. Yeah, the layout's perfect.
Kahapon kasi yung nagustuhan naming ano, sofa, walang available color, tapos hindi nila ma-customize. So ito, perfect siya. So we'll see. Pero titingin pa rin kami sa ibang shop.
Still,
I know.
yeah.
Oh, sige.
You have to be 100% happy.
No, as long as you're happy.
It's about the measurements. The measurement this way, right? If you think about it, look, I've got to take it. I'll just bring it. Thank you.
Gusto ni Daddy ano, bilhin na namin. Yeah?
Right, there's a stain on it here.
They're going to sanitize it.
Yeah.
Sinungkat muna nila to make sure ano. And sinungkat muna nila para siguradong kasya pagdating sa bahay.
That's 2 meters 6.
It's the same as ours?
The same length as our big sofa.
Okay.
But then,
The short,
then we've got a coffee table here,
okay.
and we've got the short sofa that comes to here.
Okay.
So this is actually shorter, it gives you more room this way.
Alright, yeah.
You don't have a coffee table.
Opo,
which is
opo.
fine,
Yeah.
because we can get
Yeah. We can get a coffee table in front. As I always like. We can get coffee table as I want.
another 4.
Ayan. Bibili na namin yung sofa, mga friendship. Ayan, delivery after 10 days. Hindi na pinapakawalan ni Mr. Ay nako. Ang secret ni Georgie para mapanatili na shiny ang kanyang hair, at then ibubunyag na natin yan, okay? So since Georgie has a sensitive skin, kasi may siya eczema, sumusulpot-sulpot na yung eczema niya. So napaka-sensitive ng skin niya. Tapos, ayan, ito yung gamit ko kay Georgie, Cetaphil with organic calendula. Ano siya, guys? 82 dirhams. Buy two get two. Ayan. So tipid na siya, guys, no? Kasi matagal naman siya maubos. Ayan, buy two get two. Ayan. Ayan, malalaki siya. So ito yung gamit ko sa hair din ni Georgie at saka sa skin niya para mapanatili soft ang kanyang hair and shiny. Silky. Ayan. Tapos mabango siya sa buhok. Tapos para iwas rashes. Tapos buti kabayan yung yung pharmacist. Binigyan niya ako ng free gentle wash shampoo, yung maliliit na packet, may maliliit na bote. Tapos massage oil. Kasi si Georgie, gustong-gusto niya minamassage ko siya. Mami, massage my back, massage my back. Ayan, so sulit na yung binayaran namin for 2 buy 2 get 2 na shampoo. Kasi ayan, may lotion, may 1 lotion, 2 massage oil, 3 pala, and 1 jet. Ayan, ang dami niya, guys. Ayan, high five sa pa-free. Ayan, ng Cetaphil. Ayan. So, I love you all.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
You have a good day.
Have a good day.